Some years ago, you needed expensive software to be able to create PDF documents. Now, if you have Microsoft Office, you don't need it anymore because you can create PDF documents with Microsoft Word. There are two ways of creating PDF documents in Microsoft Word, and they have different effects. The first works even without Microsoft Word if you have a newer version of Windows, but is of course also available in Word. When you have your document ready, you can simply click on File, Print, and then in the Printer selection field, pick Microsoft Print to PDF. You can then adjust various parameters in the same way you would do when printing your document on paper. However, when you click on Print, then you will get a standard Save File dialog where you'll be able to specify the name of the PDF file you want to create and choose the folder where it is supposed to be saved. And when you click on Save, your PDF file will be there where you decided to save it. This way of creating PDF documents can be sufficient in many cases, but has some drawbacks which we will show later in the video. The second way of creating PDF documents in Microsoft Word is to save or export your document as a PDF file. You can achieve it in two ways. You can click on File, Export, and there choose Create PDF/XPS document, and then click Create PDF/XPS button, or you can go to File, Save a Copy, pick the location you want to save your file in, and then choose PDF in the Choose File Type drop-down list visible under the File Name field. If you choose the File, Export alternative, you will be presented with a Save File dialog with some additional options. If you choose the File, Save a Copy alternative and click on Save, then you will not get any additional options, but if you click on More Options, you will get the same Save File dialog with options as with the Export alternative. With the dialog, you can select whether you want the document to be opened automatically after it is created. If you mark this box, your PDF document will open in the default application that is assigned to opening PDF files on your computer. You will then also be able to choose whether you want your document to be standard or optimized for size. The first option is best when you plan for the document to be printed on paper. It is also usually best for online publishing, but in those cases where file size is of importance, pick minimum size. When you click on the Options button, you will get to define some more details of the PDF document. First, you'll be able to decide whether you want to create the PDF document based on all pages of your Word document or whether you want to include only certain pages. You can then decide if it is the document itself that is supposed to be converted to PDF or if it is the document together with any existing markup that should be exported. If you do not have any markup, then this option will be inactive. In the next section of the dialog, you can specify whether the PDF document that is to be created should contain non-printing information. If your document has headings or bookmarks, you can select the Create Bookmarks using field and pick the right option. These headings or bookmarks will be visible as bookmarks in your PDF document. If the Document Properties box is marked, then various properties of your Microsoft Word document that you define in the File, Info, Properties will be added to the PDF document. The bottom section of the dialog gives you the option to make your PDF document to be compliant with PDF-A standard, which is a stricter subset of the PDF standard. If you mark the Optimize for Image Quality box, then Word will try ensuring that the PDF document that is created has a good quality of images, which in turn may result in bigger file size. The bitmap text, when fonts may not be embedded option, defines what should happen when your Word document uses fonts which cannot be embedded in the PDF document. If this option is marked, then letters will be converted to small pictures and the look of your document will be preserved, but the file size may be bigger. If this option is unticked, then the PDF reader used to open the resulting PDF file may substitute the font with another one, thus potentially changing the look of your document. Finally, The encrypt document with a password option does exactly what it says it does. If you mark it, you will be able to protect the resulting PDF document with a password. When you are happy with all the options, click on OK to close this dialog and on Save in the File Save dialog. Now, if we compare the same Word file converted to PDF with these two different ways we showed in this video, we will see some differences. First of all, the file created through printing to PDF is much bigger, so if file size matters for you, choose the other way of creating PDF documents. The second difference that is easily visible is how links are treated. If you have links which say something like HTTPS in their text, then they will also be visible as links in the PDF document because the PDF reader will recognize that this is potentially a link. However, if you have embedded links which are hidden behind some other text, then these links will only be visible as links if you choose the second way of creating PDF documents. So, in other words, to export or save as PDF. If you choose to print your Word document to PDF, the text which covers the link will still be formatted in the same way as link, but the link itself may not work. Hopefully this video gives you a good overview of how to create PDF documents with Microsoft Word. Be sure to check our other videos to learn more on how to use various Office applications.